was a deadly eruption at New Zealand's most active volcano, which claimed the lives of 22 people.
Oh my God.
Nearly 4 years after the tragedy, for families that lost loved ones, finally a sense of relief.
It's been an emotional roller coaster through the trial, but definitely worth it.
A New Zealand court today ruling that the Whakaari White Island disaster involved a significant breach in health and safety in the lead up to the deadly eruption.
This was a major failure and amounts to a breach of its duty under Section 37.
White Island is privately owned by James, Andrew and Peter Buttle. The men escaped individual convictions, but their company, Whakaari Management Limited, was found guilty on one charge of failing to manage the risk of the volcano. A second charge was dismissed.
Today's been a really good outcome. They fought the charges the whole way and didn't take any responsibility, so at long last justice prevails.
With so many victims tourists, the trial has been live streamed around the world. For Greg, who lost his cousin in the disaster, it has meant hours of listening to details of the warning signs that were ignored.
Pleased by the outcome, but disappointed that they didn't learn from the mistakes in a previous eruption in 2016.
Judge Thomas agreed.
It should have been no surprise, particularly after the 27 April 2016 eruption, that Whakaari could erupt at any time and without warning, with the risk of death or serious injury to tourists or tour guides.
The guilty parties will be sentenced in February, when the court will hear from the families who lost loved ones and survivors who live with the scars of their visit to Whakaari. Emily Clark, ABC News.